Hi students, here comes the critical reasoning question based on inference. Very common question, very important question. Even reading comprehension questions, we come across this very frequently. One simple thought to be understood is an inference is an understanding that comes from the argument or the passage. It is not directly stated or mentioned in the passage. This is what is to be understood by every student who is practicing either critical reasoning questions or even reading comprehension questions wherein this inference-based question appears. Let's look at a sample question. Coming back, it's the same argument once again for us. So we have an understanding of the argument already. So let's go into the question straight away. Which of the following can be inferred from the above argument? The same inferred can be mentioned in various ways, but it should come as an understanding from the given argument. Let's look at the choices. First one, perseverance is unlikely to prove or disprove earlier findings. Perseverance is hard work. They put in so much of hard work, about 350,000 coin flips. It is unlikely to prove or disprove. It is of no use. Well, that is not the understanding that we get from the given argument. It is irrelevant to the context. I don't think we can take it, having seen so much of hard work there. Second, researchers and Percy Diaconus findings aren't necessarily similar. We've understood the argument very clearly. We said that they are more or less similar. Aren't necessarily similar? Well, in such a case, the argument is invalid. We can't take it. Choice B is incorrect. Choice C. An intent to work hard scarcely paves the way for reaching the goal. An intent to work hard scarcely paves the way for reaching the goal. Now, scarcely is the odd one or the odd word out here. Hard work paves the way. It scarcely paves the way, more or less echoes the meaning of what is given in choice A. If I rule out A, C gets ruled out. That's what it is. So let's look at choice D also before we decide on what the answer could be. The researchers conducted 350,000 plus coin flips, in part to prevent any design bias. Let's look at the argument once. It says that they have chosen 48 global currencies to prevent design bias. Now, to prevent design bias, so many coins. It is not just so many coins, but so many coins are used to go with what is called as, right, 350,000 plus coin flips. So indirectly, can we say that so many coin flips are used with so many coins, all to say that to prevent design bias in a way to say? If not, they could have gone with only a few thousands of coin flips or probably a few hundreds of coin flips. So when you go with that, it is very clear to us that so many coin flips are used in a way to say we can understand that it is to avoid this design bias. Partly, it goes with that kind of inference. Hence, out of the given options, choice D is the answer. So before we arrive at any inference, for that matter, any question that we have seen so far, we need to look at the keywords of different choices. Here, choice D is the answer. So I hope you get the idea of how to arrive at the inference, students. Let's move on to the next video, which is based on strengthening and weakening questions. Thank you.